Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over an important topic, that is relation between immunity and immunity. We are familiar with both of the words immunity and immunity. First I want to discuss about immunity. Immunity shows our moral character, internal features, what we have internally that is related to our personality. It shows the humanity. In other words, we can say humanity is a collection of good features. It is a good collection of good features in life of a person. It shows our personality. It shows our place in society, in family. Immunity is not a thing that can be appeared externally or internally, or we can say immunity is not an organ, external or internal. Immunity is a feature, immunity is a quality, immunity is a merit which are always seen by our activity. A few of these merits are like sweet speaking to others, good behave, soft behave to others, helping attitude, live in discipline, do all the activities under a strict rule of discipline, never try to harm other, satisfy with what we have, don't try to run behind the money, don't follow the outward appearances, don't believe in outward appearances. So these types of things, these types of features, if we have in our life, it shows our personality as well as humanity. Humanity is most essential things nowadays. If we are having these features, it means we are completely free from some of the common diseases like blood pressure, high blood pressure, disease related to mind, heart, kidney. Some among us always spend sleepless night due to the lack of humanity. Some among us do not spend happy and also do not enjoy the real pleasure of life. They always live in anxious. Their enemies grows day by day. They are not having the good relation among their surroundings. So the reason behind it is that is lack of humanity. Humanity is not a thing that can be bought from market. It is our thought which develop all these properties which are really required for all of us. So to have the mental peace, to spend sound sleeping, enough and sound sleeping, to grow friendship, to live happy and enjoy the real pleasure of life, humanity is necessary. If we talk about immunity, immunity is our internal power which resists the entry of microorganism. It always protects us from the harmful effect of microorganism if entered into our body through air, water, food or some other sources. It does not allow to spread the harmful effect of microorganism in our body. It makes us strong internally, so externally we also look strong. Immunity keep us balanced, make us patient, in even all in unfavorable circumstances. Nowadays there is a dense market of pollution all around us. It is immunity which saves us from the harmful effect of pollution. So immunity is also necessary, and if we compare between immunity and immunity, due to immunity, what features we are having in our life and what benefit we get if we have the immunity, same thing we get from immunity. Due to having high immunity or great immunity, we have the good moral character, good personalities. We take the chance to enjoy the real pleasure of life, happy life, prosperous life. Same thing we get from immunity. If we are strong from both internally and externally, we can do the hard mental and physical work. We can make the good relation with our surroundings. We do not get chance to develop our enmity. We always get chance to develop our friendship. We satisfy with what we have because we know the real value of life, the secret of life. If we are healthy, we know the truth of life, and definitely we also come to know the purpose of life taken on this earth. So what I think, कि humanity and immunity related to each other. If one grows, others will automatically grow. So there is no need to grow both of them. There is a need to grow only either of them. If we focus on immunity, humanity will grow automatically. Or if we focus on humanity, immunity will grow automatically. Nowadays, we are living in science, age of science. There is everywhere the technology used in all our activity. So it becomes the most necessary, most urgent and most needful things to grow our humanity. Without humanity, we cannot get the peace. On the other hand, without immunity, we oftenly fall ill. So both of things are needful, but it is the good message for all of us. There is no need to grow both of them at a time. If one grow, other will automatically be grown. So we should focus either on humanity or immunity. Both are proportional to one another. So we can say humanity is directly proportional to immunity, or immunity is directly proportional to humanity. Higher humanity, higher immunity. Lower humanity, lower immunity. So it is our duty, it is our urgent work, needful work to grow our humanity or immunity, because our all activities, what we do from morning to evening, the success behind the activities depend on either of them. If we are deep human or having the all qualities of all features of humanity, definitely we shall be able to get success in our all activity related to all walk of life. And same thing is happen with immunity also. Immunity means we are strong both internally and externally, mentally and physically also. So if you are strong from all around, it means what we do, we focus all energy and concentration on the work till end. So I think there is a need to grow either humanity or immunity. There is no need to grow both of them, because one will grow, other will automatically will be grow. If one will lower, other will automatically be lower. So I think if you like some points from this video, try to collect and use in your practical life. Send me the comment. Subscribe this video by pressing the bell button, and also send me the topics, points, subject about which I didn't discuss in this video. Definitely I shall try my best to discuss all the points, subject and topics selected by you in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.